Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on auto-download for videos on WhatsApp web on your PC. This feature ensures that videos sent to you are automatically downloaded, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by visiting web.whatsapp.com in your browser and scanning the QR code with your mobile device to log in. Once you're logged in, your chats will appear just as they do on your phone. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon to open the settings. Once inside the settings menu, locate and click on the option labeled Chats. This will open a new menu where you can adjust various chat-related settings. Within the Chats menu, find and click on Media Auto Download. This is where you can customize how different types of media are handled when they're sent to you. Now check the box next to Videos. By doing this, you're enabling automatic downloads for all videos sent to your WhatsApp account via the web interface. This means any video shared with you will be saved automatically without requiring further action. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto-download for videos on WhatsApp web. From now on, any videos sent to you will be downloaded automatically, making it easier to access and view them directly from your PC. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.